Stand-up comedy. Hi guys, I am Mr. Editor. I share my opinion about the topic which I gonna share with you in few seconds. I hope you will enjoy my video, and this is content is not to hate others and all. This video is about for fun. If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Stand-up comedy. Comedy that generally is delivered by a solo performer speaking directly to the audience in some semblance of a spontaneous manner. In India, as you know, that before the COVID time most people were not aware of stand-up comedy and they didn't know that they can earn money off that. As you know that as most people were at home to get entertainment, they started watching different variety of categories in YouTube for the entertainment. As you can say, in that one categories there was a name as a stand-up comedian, the people who were entreating the people to feel them happy and share their daily horrific facts like breakup with girlfriends, being a jobless at home, attending unknown person wedding, terrific moment with a random people, getting fired in office, etc. As you know that from the past 1-2 years stand-up comedy is gaining more attention in the stand-up club and even in YouTube also. Because of this, it helps to relax the people mind and have some funny moments of their life, that exact things has been to happen to the people and sharing their moments. Nowadays peoples are encouraging the stand-up comedy in life without laughter it can't be told, as you have having awesome mom nets.
मैं इतना डिमोटिवेट हो जाता था, मेरे को पता था, मेरे को ऐसा लगने लगा था एक टाइम के बाद कि प्रपोज का मतलब ना ही होता है। और मैं तैयार रहता था उसके लिए कि ना होगी तो क्या करना है।
It had helped many people to realize their frustration that not just only in their life this bad moments had been there in other life also, it's been have gone trough. It's a part of entertainment which brings people together that they can watch with their family, friends, girlfriends, etc. The people who do the stand-up comedy, they are from engineering, doctor or other job field, that they share their most horrific funny moment with the public and share their life experience. Some of the most people that have been the best person in stand-up comedy are Kanan Gill, Zakir Khan, Sami Raina, Vipul Goyal, and many more others. As you know that if you are interested in this career field you can make a use of it. Some people who have raw talent this to make many people laugh, you can be a multimillionaire as a Kapil Sharma. He also know as a part of a stand-up comedian actor. If you are good with the public response you can make in one show about 60,000 to 2 lakh per show. But as a starters you cannot make as that much as money, but you can gain the public people's interest in you and make a fame profit. Some people have a raw talent and show people do for a passion, hobbies, etc. In my opinion you cannot enter in this field if you are seeking for money. You need to have confidence for that, and if you are passionate about it you can be one of top stand-up comedian members like others. As you know that in India the people are supporting the stand-up comedy, as in the television show you can see the T.V serial channel named as Sony Sab and Sony Seg channel. The people supported the stand-up comedians to show the world that it's a part of an entertainment that makes people laugh and have a good times. I hope you like my video about sharing my experience about being a stand-up comedian is good for your career or not. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my content, and share your opinion about the stand-up comedian, like what is you thought about it.